and thank you for coming back to my channel. Today's video is a ukulele tutorial of the praise song, Blessed Be Your Name. So grab na your uke and as always, na palagi kong sinasabi, make sure na ito ay nasa standard tuning ng G, C, E, A. For this song, we're gonna need 4 chords, 4 easy chords. This song is very easy to play, okay? First chord is G. For the beginners, put your index finger sa 3rd string ng 2nd fret, middle finger sa 1st string ng 2nd fret pa rin, and then your ring finger sa 2nd string, 3rd fret, G. Next is D chord sa 2nd fret, yung 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string. Yan, index, middle, and then ring finger. D. E minor. Put your index finger sa 2nd fret, 1st string, and then ganyan, ganyan. Para siyang stairs. E minor. C sa 3rd fret, 1st string. C. Okay. For our strumming pattern, dalawa yung pwede natin gamitin na strumming pattern. First is yung down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up. A little bit slower. Down, down, up, up, down, up. Pag nag-strum ako, I use sa index finger yung nails kapag nagda-down strums. Down, down. Tapos pag up na, itong fleshy part lang, carry naman. Yung iba, ganyan. Okay lang din yun. It depends kung saan ka komportable. Basta wag lang masyadong matigas. Yung baka maputol naman yung strings mo. So, relax lang. At basta makalabit mo lang lahat ng strings. That's okay. So, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up. For another strumming pattern is yung may chucking, yung tinatawag na chucking island strum. Ito yung down, chuck, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, chuck, up. Para sa hindi marunong mag-chuck, practicein mo lang yung technique na ganito. Strum, mute, strum, mute, strum, mute, strum, mute. Bibilisan mo lang. Ganyan. Etong fleshy part na to, pagka-strum mo, ito yung ipapang-mute mo. Kita ba? Paano nyo ba makikita? Sorry. Yun, ganon. Strum mute yan. Down, chuck up, chuck up. Little bit slower. Down, chuck, up, chuck, up. Oh, yung chuck. Yon, ganon. So, sa verse 1, Blessed be your name. So, sa G, down, down, up, down, up, and then B, down, down, up, down, up. E minor, down, down, up, down, up. C, down, down, up, down, up. And then G, down, down, up, down, up. Tapos D, down, down, up, down, up. And then dito sa C, sa Blessed be your name na pang 4th line is 2 down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Yon. And then, repeat mo na lang ulit yon. G ulit. Down, down, up, down, up. And then D. Down, down, up, down, up. E minor. Down, down, up, down, up. C. Down, down, up, down, up. Tapos G. Down, down, up, down, up. Tapos D. Down, down, up, down, up. And then C. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Remember na yung laging last line na blessed be your name na C ay 2 times yung down, down, up, down, up. Okay? So, without me having to say the chords and strumming patterns, this should sound like this. Blessed be your name, the land that is plentiful, where streams of abundance flow. Blessed be your name. Blessed be your name, when you're found in the desert place, though you walk through the wilderness. Blessed be your name. So, dapat, syempre, dahil praise song siya, kailangan medyo upbeat. And then, syempre, kailangan happy ka. Kasi, binibless mo yung name ni Lord. Okay? So, punta tayo sa refrain. Sa every blessing you pour out. Sa G yun. Down, down, up, down, up. Anyway, dito sa refrain, kung depende yan sa style mo, kung gusto mo, pwede mo na dito i-apply yung Chucking Island strum, no? Na down, chuck up, no? It depends sa style mo na gusto mo. Pwede ring down, down, up, down, up. And then D, down, down, up, E minor, down, down, up, down, up, C, down, down, up, down, up, G, down, down, up, down, up, D, down, down, up, down, up, E minor, down, down, up, down, up, C. So, without me, again, having to say the chords and strumming patterns, they should sound like this. Excuse me. Every blessing you pour out, I'll turn back to praise. And when the darkness closes, the Lord still I will say. Then, pupunta ka na sa chorus. Okay. Sa chorus, yung blessed be the name. So, sa G, down, chuck up, and then D, down, chuck up, tapos E minor, down, chuck up, C, down, chuck up, Kung hindi mo kayang mag-Chucking Island strum, pwede mo naman i-apply dito yung down, down, up, down, up, no? So, yun nga, hindi ko natapos yung pag-demo per chord, no? Pero, ito, without me having to say the chords and strumming patterns, they should sound like this with Chucking Island strum. Blessed be the name of the Lord. Blessed be your name. Blessed be the name of the Lord. Blessed be your glorious name. And that leads you to verse 2. Sa verse 2, same lang din siya ng verse 1. Na syempre, iba lang din yung lyrics, pero yung chords and strumming patterns, same lang siya. Sa verse 2, blessed be your name, G. Down, down, up, down, up, be your name. The sun shining down on me. When the world is all as it should be. Blessed be your name. Dalawa to. Down, down, up, down, up. Blessed be your name. E minor. Suffering for the Spain in the offering. Blessed be your name. And then, repeat mo lang din ulit yung refrain and yung chorus. Sa bridge naman, you give and take away. Nasa sayo pa rin kung ano yung gusto mong gamitin na style sa yung strumming patterns or Chucking Island strum. It depends on you. Pero ako, kahit ano lang din sa dalawa. Pwede rin yung you give and take away. Pwede rin naman you give and take away. You give and take away. na ulit sa chorus. So, repeat mo lang yung chorus until fade. And that's it for today's video. I hope na may natutunan ka sa ating ukulele tutorial for today. Thank you for watching. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do subscribe. And if you have any suggestions or song requests or any comments, huwag kang mahihiya na mag-comment down below. I hope to see you on my next video, and always remember that you are the salt of the earth. Let your light shine so others may see through the dark. Love and light to you!